Guys, we have in a really unique project. We're actually going to be doing the Edition 1 Mercedes yellow stripe design. You may have seen this. Mercedes came out with Edition 1 cars, which are basically, I think they were just all like matte silver or matte gray, and they had like a yellow stripe down the middle. So we're going to try to replicate that for our customer here. You have the color?
I have the color.
So obviously we didn't get Mercedes decal because it wouldn't fit, so everything is going to be custom, as you guys are about to see.
I think this is the first car we're actually going to wrap just the very face, like the very edge of the wheel. And we're just going to go beep, 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 and that's it.
And as you guys saw in the picture, at the back of the door, it kind of has like this faded look where it's like thinner stripes. Obviously, since we had to do it by hand, that means we had to do each one.
Use knifeless. I think this is like the most, could you say, hand custom work we've done on a car?
Yeah, for sure. Because now you do each individual strip.
Each individual strip, and we got to do the wheels. It's facing the wheel. It's going to be pretty badass. I can't wait.
We're really happy with how all this came out, considering everything was custom by hand. Since the stripe design was originally for the newer body style, applying the same design to totally different body lines was a challenge, and you're never sure how it's going to look until it's all done. Stripes on the door came out awesome, especially at the end section and how it sort of fades out. The pieces on the grille look great too. The brakes of them look perfect and so much better than if we made it look like as if it was continuously flowing down. Let me know what you think of this fun project in the comments below.